welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, for today's episode, I am going to do something a little bit different. I am doing a product review for a hot glue gun. Okay, so the name of this hot glue gun is called Monvict, and I'm going to put the name of the hot glue gun on the screen so that you can see it, just in case I pronounced it incorrectly. Now, let me adjust the camera so you can take a look at what's in the box, the contents of the box. Okay, so in the box, it's a full-size hot glue gun. Now I'm gonna take the things out and just kind of show you what we have. So this is how it looks. It comes with a detachable cord, some hot glue sticks. Hot glue stick, and then also we have these finger protectors. So they give you 3 finger protectors, and they're different sizes. Now, right off the bat, what I want to say that I like about this hot glue gun is that if you notice, it's standing on its own. So that is a nice touch. So you can set it like this and it stands on its own. And then I think one of the most important features about this hot glue gun is that it has where once you heat the hot glue gun up, you can detach the cord. So you're not restricted to just a certain space. You can actually pick that hot glue gun up and you can walk around with it. And then these finger protectors are very useful when using a hot glue gun. So if any of you out there have ever used the hot glue gun, you can actually get burnt when you're putting something together and you touch it a little bit too soon. It can burn you. Okay, so this is a nice touch. I am gonna go over some more features of this gun, and then we're gonna do a craft with it. All right, I'll be back. So some of the key features include base stand-up, which I mentioned before, corded detachable cord use. So you have the option of using it with the cord or using it without the cord. When you use it without the cord, you can use it for about 5 minutes. So that's more than enough time to use it to do something around the house. It has rapid heat up, so it takes 1 to 3 minutes for the hot glue gun to heat up. Full size, it's a full size hot glue gun. Also, it's safe. So what makes it safe is it has, let me see, what did they say? Plastic engineered to protect from the sustained high pressure and temperature. They say it's easy to grip, easy to hold. It does have like a very thin neck here that you can hold on to easily. And another feature, I think that's, widely used and warranty. So widely used meaning that you can use it for more than just doing one type of project. So they say you can use it at your office, you can use it around your home. Like I'm an elementary school teacher, so I would like to use it in my classroom because to put posters up and things like that. So I really, really like the cordless option. So I definitely would be able to do that. Okay, so now I am about to do a project with this hot glue gun, and I will let you know how well it works, or you get to see how well it works. I am gonna make a fall centerpiece with my hot glue gun. And one of the things that I noticed as soon as I plugged it up, it has a light here indicating that it's on. So I think that is a nice feature as well. Here on the side, you have 2 temperature settings. So you have the one line, I'm assuming it's the lower temperature, and then you have the 2 lines, I'm assuming it's the higher temperature. So I have it on the 2 lines because I'm gonna make a box base. All my items are from Dollar Tree, so I'm just gonna make a small centerpiece with a box base and a floral arrangement. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just letting it heat up and then we're gonna get started. Hot glue gun performed really well. It did such a good job on helping me to put this box together. It dried really quickly, just as any other hot glue gun, but it also bonded very well. I love that I was able to take it off the cord when I needed to and work with it. And also, like, when you're done using it, they also say, like, if you know you're about to do your last use of the gun, go ahead and unplug it and use it, and that way you preserve energy and also you don't waste any glue. But this really worked well. I usually get my hot glue guns from Walmart, and I guess you get what you pay for, because for $25.99 I can see the difference. I can see the difference. This has a lot of features that my Walmart hot glue gun does not have. So I will leave a link for you to be able to purchase this gun below. Okay, so go ahead and like this video if you like the centerpiece that I created. Also, share this video with someone. Somebody might be in the market for a hot glue gun, or if you know of somebody that's into crafting and will be able to use this hot glue gun, go ahead and share this video with them. And also, if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you so much for viewing this video. Until I see you next time, bye.